NGOs that is
It is not specified by Government of India. These are specified by Government of Meghalaya. It is specified by Government of India. We could have asked the Government of India to change those SOPs and reduce the areas below 100. But that process itself would have taken a long time. And hence we felt that first thing to do is to be able to get certain individuals or certain people applications passed and get the mining licenses through. So hence there are almost close to 18 to plus, I think minimum 18, I can't remember the exact numbers, but 18 for sure, have applied, and many of them have got the prospecting license, and many of them in fact are on the verge of getting the mining plan approved. So if the mining plan is approved, then the scientific mining from these few people will start immediately. Once this process starts and once we start actually seeing the mining and the licenses coming out, then we can go in and reform things further and see whether we can reduce the hectares and all these things. That can come at a second phase. But we felt that if we try to go into too much of it right now, then there will be delay and government will agree, may not agree. All these aspects were there. So we went ahead with what government had agreed to do. And as we move along, we will see how we can make the system smoother and better for our people.